Hello and welcome to this session where I'm going to talk about how to insert characters in your storyline project. So I can go to insert, select characters, and it will open up a huge library of characters that I might have. Now these are photographic and illustrated in nature. So say I want an illustrated modern character, and say Lily is fine with me. I can choose an expression with a pose. Say I want her expression to be happy, and a pose which defines pointing towards something. So let's take this one and I'll use a right perspective. So I'll go ahead and insert, and I have my character here. So I can use this to add some more creativity to my DTPs. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.